Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, returning an item and need the label. So, in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna talk on how to actually print a return label in Amazon Shopping in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, make sure you are fully connected to the internet and all of this. Go all the way and look for Amazon.com or Amazon Shopping app if you are using App Store, basically iOS or Android. So as for me now, I'm gonna go through Amazon.com, go all the way here, log in using your email address and password. Then we're gonna go and actually look for my orders. So here, I'm gonna go to orders. So as you see guys, here you will be able to see your past orders for 3 months. Go all the way basically and select the order. So after this, you're gonna select the returned item. You should tap view return label. Then all you're gonna do is download and print the label. As for some additional tips, you can also email the label to yourself if you are not near a printer. Some returns don't require printing at all, so make sure you check all of these info, including the return. If they are saying you should be applying a return label or you should be printing, then go and do so. If not, it's totally fine. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.